Welcome to video number 104 of Learn and Speak Tamil like a native. And in this video again we are going to see some phrases using the letter Ra. So this is a continuation of the previous video. And just in case if you're very curious to know if you're doing it right, you can record maybe a couple of phrases that we are going to see now. Do a record of that, save it in an MP3 or any other format that I could open in the email and send it across to me. I will check if if you're pronouncing it right. I hope the previous video was very useful to you and you learned how to say the letter Ra. And for those of you who has not watched the channel or watched the video, please go watch it. It's a very interesting video to understand and how to position your tongue to say the letter Ra. And if you are still having a little problem in pronunciation for that letter Ra, that is totally fine. If you don't get it immediately, you'll get it in the due course of time. So it's not a big problem. In this video, we are going to see a few phrases to train the sound Ra. For those of you new to this channel or newcomers to this channel, please go check 100 plus videos that I've already made in different subjects such as vocabularies, conversations, dialects, grammar, interesting facts, etc. And I just want to make this learning very thorough and complete. Here's the link above for you to check it, or you can also find that in the description below. So we are moving on to the phrases now. The first phrase is Tamil. So we are using the word Tamil itself. Tamil பேசி பழகிக்கிறியா? Tamil பேசி பழகிக்கிறியா? Are you practicing speaking in Tamil? Tamil பேசி பழகிக்கிறியா? Tamil பேசி பழகிக்கிறியா? கீழே வழவழன்னு இருக்கு. பத்திரம் விழுந்துடாது. கீழே வழவழன்னு இருக்கு. பத்திரம் விழுந்துடாத. Down here it is slippery. Pay attention. Do not fall. கீழே வழவழன்னு இருக்கு. பத்திரம் விழுந்துடாத. கீழே வழவழன்னு இருக்கு. பத்திரம் விழுந்துடாத. So in this phrase we have almost 1, 2, 3, 4 Ra. கீழே, that is one. வழவழன்னு, slippery. விழுந்துடாத, do not fall. கீழே வழவழன்னு இருக்கு. பத்திரம் விழுந்துடாத. The boy says, I'll not wear the old shirt. பழைய சட்டை நான் போட்டுக்க மாட்டேன். பழைய சட்டை நான் போட்டுக்க மாட்டேன். பழைய சட்டை, old shirt. பழைய சட்டை நான் போட்டுக்க மாட்டேன். Did you arrive via விழுப்புரம்? விழுப்புரம் வழியாவ வந்த? விழுப்புரம் is the name of a small town in Tamil Nadu. விழுப்புரம் வழியாவ வந்த? Did you arrive via விழுப்புரம்? And an interesting fact is because universally it's very difficult for non-Tamilians to pronounce it. The name is, people say that as Viluppuram. Even in the signboards and plates, name plates, everywhere you will not see Viluppuram. Instead, for the sake of simplicity, it is just Viluppuram. And people sometimes even say Viluppuram. It sounds very bad, but it is Viluppuram. Viluppuram. விழுப்புரம் வழியாவா வந்த? Do you like bananas or mangoes? உனக்கு வாழைப்பழம் பிடிக்குமா இல்லை மாம்பழம் பிடிக்குமா? உனக்கு வாழைப்பழம் பிடிக்குமா இல்லை மாம்பழம் பிடிக்குமா? உனக்கு வாழைப்பழம் பிடிக்குமா இல்லை மாம்பழம் பிடிக்குமா? On the way there are potholes all over. வழியெல்லாம் குண்டும் குழியுமா இருக்கு. வழியெல்லாம் குண்டும் குழியுமா இருக்கு. குண்டும் குழியுமா is potholes. வழியெல்லாம் குண்டும் குழியுமா இருக்கு. In this picture, just imagine they're talking to themselves. We have to adapt to the situation. சூழ்நிலைக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி நடந்துக்கணும். சூழ்நிலைக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி நடந்துக்கணும். The translation, literal translation will be சூழ்நிலைக்கு, to the situation, ஏத்த மாதிரி, befitting, நடந்துக்கணும். We have to behave. சூழ்நிலைக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி நடந்துக்கணும். சூழ்நிலைக்கு ஏத்த மாதிரி நடந்துக்கணும். Give way, give way, give way, way. You'll probably hear this sometimes if it's really a packed crowd and somebody wants to go through you, and they would say vadi vidunga. So sometimes they may not even say vadi vidunga means to leave some place for them to go. Instead they might just say vadi. So it is, please give way, give way, give way. Vadi vidunga. Probably you could try saying this, record this and send to me. I'll check it. So because there are many vadi vidunga. The cow is eating the leaves. மாடு தழைய திங்குது. மாடு தழைய திங்குது. For eating we would rather say சாப்பிடுது, but it's okay for animals and such things. They say திங்குது. மாடு தழைய திங்குது. And we also use it sometimes. Some people, you could also still hear people saying திங்குது for something like snacks or very light munchy food. திங்குது. The boy is eating. அவன் திங்குறான். So மாடு தழைய திங்குது. So the cow is eating the leaves. தமிழ் அழகான மொழி. Tamil is a beautiful language. So here அழகான means, of course, a language we cannot see that there's nothing, it is not appealing to the eyes. Instead, what the meaning here is sweet sounding or rich. Tamil is a beautiful language. Maybe it's culturally, word wise, vocabulary wise. So it is, Tamil is a beautiful language. Tamil அழகான மொழி. மொழி means language. தமிழ் அழகான மொழி. தமிழ் அழகான மொழி. தமிழ் அழகான மொழி.